And they were joined by millions of Americans, mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, who refused to accept these acts of violence as somehow inevitable. During the last decade, people thought the decline in American manufacturing was inevitable. But it's not inevitable. And here's the thing. None of it was inevitable.
Less measurable, but no less profound, is a sapping of confidence across our land. A nagging fear that America's decline is inevitable, that the next generation must lower its sights. Yet, as clear as it is that our system badly needs reform, reform's not inevitable. There's some who see what's taking place here and suggest that it's all somehow inevitable and that the only way for America to get ahead is for places like Elkhart to be left behind. So it may have seemed inevitable that he was named the most trusted man in America. We can either accept that outcome as inevitable and tolerate constant and crippling conflict, or we can recognize that the yearning for peace is universal and reassert our resolve to end conflicts around the world.
Yes, we will persevere in the face of long odds and inevitable difficulty.
We made clear from the beginning of, despite the inevitable challenges, we have never wavered in pursuit of this goal. When the inevitable setbacks occur, you can remind people to never lose sight of those guiding stars of which Pablo Neruda spoke. Struggle, but also hope. We must never forget that there was nothing inevitable about our victory in that terrible war. It was one. We talk about climate change, something that obviously
Conflict is not inevitable.
And I'm wondering at this point if you think those cuts going into effect are inevitable and what you're telling the Prime Minister and other world leaders about the impact that that would have on the global economy.
And the inevitable costs, the unintended consequences that would come with war means that we have to do everything we can to try to resolve this diplomatically.